Now we're going to do 7/5 divided by 17. This is in the numerator. This really is what's in the denominator. This is the same as saying 7/5 divided by 17/1, which equals keep, change, flip. Remember this from division of fractions, keep, change, flip. I keep the first fraction, I change the division to multiplication, and I flip the second fraction. Now I get 7 divided by 17 times 35. 7 times 5 is 35. Carry the 3, 5 times 1. So this is 85, 7/85. For anybody who wants to know, I'm going to actually show you why that works. Now seems to be a very good time. If I have 7/5, I divide it by 17/1. Now, this is a fraction over a fraction. I don't want that. But I can multiply this by 1/17 because that gives me 17/17, which equals 1. But if I multiply the denominator by 1/17, I also have to multiply the numerator by 1/17. I have 7 times 1 divided by 5 times 17. 7 over, well, we already found out that's 85. Over 1, anything divided by 1 is whatever it was before, which gives me 7/85. Use keep, change, flip. I wanted to show you why it worked. By multiplying by 1/17, the denominator completely goes away, and I get keep. This becomes multiplication, and flip the fraction. Now we have a fraction plus a number divided by a number plus a fraction. This is why it's important that you understand all your rules for fractions. And when we start doing this with polynomials, you'll understand why you needed that. I'm going to do the numerator and the denominator separately. This equals 9/8 plus, I need a common denominator, which is going to be 8. So I'm going to multiply this by 8/8. And I end up with 16/8. Here, I'm going to multiply this by 9/9. What do I get? I get 36 divided by 9 plus 5/9, which equals 25/8 divided by 41/9. Because this really is 25/8 divided by 41/9, it's keep, change, flip, which equals 25 times 9. Always simplify before you multiply, but 41 is a prime number, and 8 is all 2's, and 25 and 9 have no 2's, which means it's, when I'm done, this is going to be as simple as it gets. 45, 2 times 9 is 18 plus 4 is 22. I have 225 divided by 41 times 8 is 328. We have q minus 2 divided by q minus 1 over q plus 2 over q minus 1. I do my keep, change, flip. Now I can cancel this with this. And my final answer is going to be q minus 2 over q plus 2. We have 15 s to the 4th w to the 4th divided by 28 t cubed over 30 s to the 6th w to the 9th divided by 14 t to the 7th. This becomes I keep the numerator. I change the division to multiplication, and I flip the fraction in the denominator. And then we start simplifying. Well, 15 divided by 30 is 1 over 2. 14 divided by 28, these are both 1s, and these are both 2s. I have s to the 4th, w to the 4th, divided by 2t to the 3rd, times t to the 7th, divided by 2s to the 6th, w to the 9th. I'm doing this for you. If you don't need to do this, you don't have to. I'm going to take all the like terms and put them together. This is 1 over 2 times 2, which gives me 4. I have s to the 4th divided by s to the 6th. I have w to the 4th divided by w to the 9th. And last, I have t to the 7th divided by t to the 3rd. That takes care of all my factors. This equals, well, we have 1/4. S to the 4th over S to the 6th, that's got 2 more S's in the denominator than the numerator. W to the 4th over W to the 9th has 5 more W's in the denominator than in the numerator. And T to the 7th over T to the 3rd has got 4 more T's in the numerator than the denominator. My final answer, I multiply everything along the top, all the numerators together, and then I multiply all the denominators together. And that is my final answer. Okay, we have 2v plus 4 divided by 4v. Keep, change, flip. I'm going to factor as much as I can. In the numerator, I have 2 times v plus 2. And then when I multiply, I really just multiply the numerators and then I multiply the denominators anyway, right? So I'm going to say times v divided by 4 times v times, I'm going to factor in 8 out of 8v plus 32, and I get v plus 4. I can cancel this 2 with this 8. That would leave 4 in the denominator. I can cancel this v with this v. And it looks like that's all I can cancel. Let's rewrite it and see if there's anything else that I can cancel. 4 times 4 is 16 times v plus 4. That looks right. Let's check our answer. Excellent. And then our last problem. Really very much the same. 3m squared plus 8m minus 16 divided by 2m minus 10. Keep, change, flip. Don't forget this part. It's very important. I'm not going to go through all the factoring. I'm going to just factor. A times C is minus 48. So that's going to be 4 times 12. I know this is not going to make any sense, but these are both 4s. This one is positive, which gives me 12m minus 4m is 8m divided by 2 times m minus 5 times m minus 5 divided by m plus 4 times m plus 1. First thing I want to do is cancel everything I can. There's an m minus 5 over m minus 5. I have an m plus 4 over m plus 4. It looks like that is all I can cancel. So we have 3m minus 4 divided by 2 times m plus 1. 3m minus 4, 2m. Okay. And there you have it.